Hello guys, it's me again, Paul, aka the Virgin Angel, and I'm here tonight to spread Gunpla love and give you, well, my review for the 1x144 scale real grade Freedom. I got this kit a couple of days ago, and since I didn't have work today, I just couldn't resist looking at the box and knowing that this is my first real grade kit. I just couldn't resist, so I snap fitted him today. It actually took me 8 hours to snap fit this dude, and although it was very tiring and I would have to admit a bit challenging due to the tiny pieces that you would have to cut and clean. I actually experienced cutting myself with my hobby knife a couple times, just cleaning the nub marks from this kit. But overall, after it's all snap fitted, from the inner frame to the armor parts to the gimmicks, I'd give this kit 10 out of 10. I'm used to building master grades, 1x100 scale, and the reason why I love master grade is because of the detail that it has. But this kit, and I'm gonna be showing you in a while, I would say if you compare this kit from its predecessor, the 1x100 master grade of this kit, this kit has more details on it. So I'll be showing you guys that. I know my usual Gunpla review would be, I'll just tell you the pros and cons, things I've noticed, things that I think would be a challenge when it comes to painting this kit, since all of you know that I do paint my kits, and for this one, this won't be an exception, although you can argue that out of the box, just top coat this kit, it still look awesome. So this time I'm gonna be showing a full review for this kit. I'm talking about gimmicks, articulation, and I'll give you a summary or an overview. So yeah, that's what this video is for. Okay, first things first, let's go with size comparison. If you notice, the backpack is not attached to the kit or the suit, because actually, and this is something that you would have to, well, be aware of, Bandai shows this kit, or like the box shows this kit standing freely with the wings attached, but I tried and tried. This kit won't stand up on its own when its backpack gets attached to it. So for now, just for size comparison's sake, I'm not gonna plug in the backpack, but if you compare it with a regular high grade or 1x144 scale kit, okay, you'd know that this kit is small. Okay, I mean, coming from a guy who always buys 1x100 scale kits, master grade, this kit is small. Side by side with my Stargazer Gundam, okay, fairly accurate. I know this dude came from the same series. Freedom would be taller, so yeah, there. But size comparison wise, box of cigarette, okay, that's just how tall the kit is. Okay, let's go over articulation real quick, because I don't want this video to go so long. Okay, let's go over articulation here. Let's start with the leg. Let me just grab a leg here. Articulation of this kid is really good. Okay. You'd look. The feet has several points of articulation. Okay. Can go that way. And the heel. Okay. Can articulate that way too. Side to side. It's on a ball joint. Okay, thrusters has articulation there, but here's the cool part. Right, just focus that. Okay, trying to adjust the camera so you guys can see better. Okay, you bend it, you can bend that far, so it's really complete. And the cool thing about this is you'll see the internal parts move as well when you bend the feet. So yeah, better than a master grade. And the cool thing about this, and like I mentioned, it got more details than its master grade counterpart. Okay, just look at the panel lines and the detail. Okay, so it's pretty detailed. And that's also gonna be a problem that I know I will be encountering, especially when I start painting this kit. The panel lines gonna be tough one to do. Okay, let's get the oops. Okay, you really have to be careful with this kit, especially when you're snap fitting it, because there are really tiny parts. And one thing that I like, okay, is that it's really snap fitted very well. It's not too tight, it's not too loose, okay, but every now and then, okay, since you're dealing with small parts, you have to be careful. Okay, you don't want to lose any of the parts. So like the hand, okay, when you twist it like that, the elbow follows along with it, and it can bend this much. Okay, could also rotate from this point. Okay, the wrist has articulation as well. The hand, it gives you actually get several hands. Okay, like this is the hand for the rifle. It's fixed, but you would get a pair of hands that's also fully articulated. Okay, it's so small. Thing about it, it's so small, but it's so well articulated. You can see that. Okay, it can actually bend, and you have to be careful. If you lose a finger, you're gonna cry. Alright, that's what's cool about this. Okay, the railgun, okay, just like the master grade, it folds, and this time it has a handle that you can, well, he can grab. Okay, so that's a cool gimmick. Okay, the skirt individually go up and down. The back skirt also very articulated. Okay, and the waist, okay, has 3 points of articulation. Okay, bend side to side. bend on this part, and you can also bend on this part. So there, the head, 360. Okay, it'll unsnap. You can do the chicken, and just like the master grade, the cockpit can open, but this time it doesn't have a small pilot. That would be cool, but I don't know if I'd still be able to paint that if it had one. Okay, the arm can move forward like this and move up like that. Alright, on to the backpack. Okay, can rotate this angle, this wing detaches. As far as I can remember, the master grade can't detach this part. As far as I can remember, I know, or as far as I can remember, on the master grade, this part, even though it's two colors, are joined together. So yeah, a lot of the wing part can be manipulated to how you like it. The railgun, okay, as usual, you can manipulate it, and then it has a joint that goes forward, so that, you know, you can do the epic pose wherein Kira killed Lord knows how many suits with the Freedom, which is actually one of the epic scenes in Gundam series. Shield, you can adjust it, the handle, and it has a swivel joint here to attach the arm. You can put it on the left side or the right side, depends what you. So there, overall I would say if you want to try the real grade series, this kit would be a good idea to buy first, just so you can experience the detail and the fun of building a real grade kit. Now that I've built one, I feel like I might be drawn to just collecting real grades. One, it's detailed. Two, it's, well, the cost is okay. And three, okay, it saves me space. I mean, my collection is really growing and space is becoming an issue. So, there you go. I know this is really long video already, but yeah, I hope you like it. I'll be painting this dude. I'm just gonna think a color scheme first. So, if you like this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. This is Paul, aka the Virgin Angel. More power, guys. Bye.